Hello amazing people, let me show you how to do the limit as x approaches 0 here of the following: ax plus x times cosine x over b sine x. So that's our limit, we're going to find it. Okay, so first stage in this process is to recognize, for example, that this here is x and this is x. That means you can factor it. And then you can say the limit as x equals 0, and then what do you write next? You're going to put x here and then a plus cosine x, the leftover part. On the bottom you have b sine x this way. Okay, so the x has been factored out right here, correct? Look at it. Next stage is to break this up as follows. You're going to say the limit as x approaches 0, and then you will do x over b sine x times, and then what's left is a plus cosine x. So notice how the b sine x moves away. If you like formally, you can imagine, if it helps you, that this is over 1, you see? So this is just rewriting the fraction. Next step is then the limit as x approaches 0, and you're going to say x over b sine x. There's a property of limits. You can distribute the limit to each piece independently, so you're going to have the limit as x approaches 0 of a plus cosine x. I'm not putting the 1 on the bottom here, not necessary, but it does help at this stage psychologically. Now notice that here we're bringing this towards a well-known limit, but there's this extra b floating around. You can just move it out, so it's going to be 1 over the b on the outside here, and then what's left is the limit as x approaches 0 of x over sine x. Now the other one you can do by direct substitution, so you're going to have a plus cosine of 0 like that, direct substitution. Then you continue, so you're going to have 1 over b. This limit here that I'm about to highlight is known to be 1, so you just put a 1 there. And the other one is cosine 0, which is 1, so you have a plus 1. And then you just write this more compactly as a plus 1 over b. And that's the limit. Done very quickly and efficiently. Maybe I should move this over this way a little bit so you can follow all the steps. Thank you so much. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. Check out other videos on this channel, and then look down in the description for some additional information that could very likely be of great interest to you.